How do you use the app in a telemedical setting? Please try it out yourself after each submodule of this tutorial. If not already done, create a camp and select that camp. The next step is the registration of the patient. Therefore, click on Patient List and create a new patient. Then click Patient Registration and fill in the personal data into the blanks. All blanks with an asterisk are mandatory, so you have to provide this data. In the second step, you enter the health info. This step is separated into the physical examination and the systemic medical history. This data is not required to proceed, but it will be very helpful for the final assessment of the patient. The next step is refraction. Therefore, after you examine the patient, you enter the best corrected visual acuity for both distance and near for both eyes. You also enter the assessed lens status. Next, enter whether the anterior chamber is shallow or normal. If you cannot assess one of the eyes, select NA in the top right corner, which stands for Not Applicable. After each step, click Save in the lower right corner to make sure the data is secured.